is that?
Yeah! Welcome back to another video. Fish and chips is our preview. I'm gonna take it away from you. You're gonna have to make this with me or just give me a like. That'll be enough. First, we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our potatoes. We left it in the bowl so it won't brown around. Who is calling?
Yo, trying to get it?
Huh? But yeah, leave your potatoes in warm water so it won't brown oxidize. First, what we did, we made our base, make a slight trim on the bottom, cut the sides to whatever width you want your french fries, I guess, and then make our own fries from there. After we make our cuts, we then gonna put the fries back in the water so it won't, don't have to say it again, and then we're gonna move it on to the fish. So now for our, does the cameras, bro? But now for our fish. We're supposed to get fillets. I got 1.25 pounds of a fillet right here. We want an even cut portion because uneven portion may lead to uneven cooking, and the smaller the portion is, the more quick it cooks, and it might not crisp up the batter. So about medium size portions. So now here's our, yo, you better stop social media. So next is our ingredients. We have a beer batter. Don't worry, I'm 21. Fish for the beer batter. We have a little baking powder right there. I'm using Guinness beer. Next is our spice mix. I'm not telling you how much it is because there's a lot. Just watch the screen. Moving on, we have our tartar sauce, which involves relishes, dill, lemon juice, and mayonnaise. First, we're gonna do our spice mix, right? We want a tablespoon of the oregano, paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper. Then we have 2 tablespoons of the onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper powder, right? You can use cayenne instead. Finally, our tartar sauce. Relish, dill, mayonnaise, and then lemon juice. We stir it around, we season it with salt and pepper. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up our equipment. So we're gonna pour oil in this pan and we're gonna turn on the oven for 400 degrees. We want to heat up the pan on medium to low heat. We're not trying to heat up the oil because it would get crazy on us. And we're also shallow frying these fish, and yeah, we're shallow frying the fish. Now for our beer batter, put about half of this in there, about a tablespoon of baking powder, and then we're gonna pour a little bit of the Guinness until we want a certain texture. This is the texture you want. Lightly pour until you get that. Coming back to our fries, we're gonna drain these, and then come over here real quick. Place paper towel on the bottom, right? Put them on there and try to dry them out, right? As much as you can. As you can see, for our oil, we want it to hit 300 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, that's sick. Get you a thermometer, right? So hit 300. So we are ready to fry. First, take the fillets, dust it in flour, right? Take off all the excess flour in it, dump it into the mixture. Push it down, flip it around, make sure everything is coated. It's the messy parts. Everything is coated. Drip the excess remain off of it. Set it on the thing and let it do its job. Grab a spoon and then splash some oil on top. So this will give it even cooking. We're gonna check real quick. It's not enough. We want it a little darker. Like these is already getting crisp up on the top and I didn't even flip it, right? So what we're gonna do now is, hold on, let me put that down real quick. Take it, flip it on the other side, and we're gonna do the same. Oh, shit. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do the same thing we did on the first side. Baste it, right? Once brown both sides, take these journeys out. Since your bum ass don't have a thermometer, I would say leave these in for 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, right? But if you have a thermometer, however you say it, we want it to get to 145 the fish, all right? We're gonna use the same oil we're using the fish. We're gonna blanch these fries, then we're gonna turn up the heat so we could cook them later. That gives them That gives them a little crisp. You're looking for a little 330 degrees. As you can tell, they just hit that mark. We're gonna throw our fries in. Once they get a little color, we're gonna turn up the heat. Try not to overcrowd the pan if you got a lot of fries. You know, take your time with them. Right now I have my heat on high. I want this close to 400. I'm on 380 degrees right now. You notice they're done if you try one, or if you have like a key identifier, which is the brownness of the fries, or you can knock on it to feel the crisp, right? Multiple ways to figure it out. So these brownies are good to go. Right now, I have a strainer on the left of me. Take the strainer and something metal to grab onto for the fries. I'm using these tongs. Yeah, strain it on there. Then take the oil out, put it in the bowl. Remember our Cajun spice mix? Toss a little bit of that in there. Take your fries. Let me show y'all goatness real quick. Toss it in the bowl. Try one real quick. Alright, y'all. It's time. Moment of silence for this plating. We're gonna try this out real quick. First, the fries. Well, I know y'all heard that crunch. Hold on. Now for the fish, take it. Always gotta dip it in. Oh!